Hey guys, today me try understand financial minimalism, and me already feel brain melt. It all start when me walk into modern shiny cave, big store full of glowing boxes, loud music, and little carts with broken wheels. Me try buy fire rock machine with magic plastic tooth. They call it credit card, but when me swipe, big red words flash on screen. Declined. Caveman heart drop like mammoth off cliff. Storekeeper look at me like me steal meat. Me say, no, me honest caveman, just confused about coin magic. So me run outside, sit under plastic tree, pull out wallet, but wallet no have coin. It full of receipts for things caveman no even remember buying. Tiny speaker that talk to itself, jacket with built-in fan, dancing light for pet rock. Me realize, me no broke because me poor. Me broke because me buy too much shiny junk. That moment, caveman brain crack open, me whisper to sky, maybe me no need more stuff, maybe me need less. Then loud voice and head say, welcome to financial minimalism, Ooga son of Booga. Reality check time. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So caveman go home, still confused. Me ask shiny talking box, what is financial minimalism? Box say, it's a lifestyle that focuses on spending less, owning only what you need, and removing money stress from life. Caveman blinked twice. So, no need gold pile, no need cave full of 47 shoes. Box say, correct. Caveman brain hiccup. At first me think minimalism mean you live like forest squirrel, naked, poor, and chewing on tree bark. Me look at tribe elders who follow minimalism, but they not poor. They just smart. They know waste coin on 5 streaming magic scrolls. They know buy 10 chairs when only got 1 butt. They wear same simple tunic every moon. They smile more. They know chase every sale scream from billboard spirit. Instead, they sit with hot tea, read book, hug family, and laugh like thunder. Caveman shocked. This not poor man sadness, this rich man peace. Minimalism know about having nothing, it about not letting stuff have you. It no means sleep in hole with 1 sock. It means spend coin on what matter, family feast, health stone, brain scroll, not on gold-covered back scratcher. Cavemen realize money is tool. Tool no build life alone. You must choose what life you want to build. Caveman returns to tribe, all fired up. Me scream, me try new way. Me no spend coin like wild buffalo anymore. But then, surprise, whole tribe already doing it. Old hunter Mac say, welcome brother, we call it the quiet wealth path. Cousin Noga brag, me live with only 10 things now including toothbrush and 1 sock. Even tiny baby hold up sign, less toys, more joy. Caveman stunned, whole tribe ahead of me. They chant weird phrases like, less is more, declutter your mind cave, escape consumer jungle. Caveman thinks, did tribe drink river juice? Why is everyone so happy giving stuff away? At first, Caveman laughs. Haha, funny joke. Wear your gold ring for nose. Wear giant TV rock. But then Caveman noticed something strange. Tribe sleep better. Tribe argue less. Tribe no panic when rent mammoth asks for food again. Caveman confused. You enjoy not buying? They nod. Elder Shoma says, yes, when you stop chasing more, you have time to enjoy what you already hold. Caveman rubs chin. It sounds like a brain riddle. But when he sits with tribe around a small fire, eating simple soup and laughing with no phones or flashy objects, Caveman feels light in heart. Maybe, tribe not crazy. Maybe crazy one was Caveman. Before Caveman found the minimalist path, he fell into a deep dark hole, the shiny rock hoard. It all began when Caveman discovered the online cart. The button said, buy now, arrive fast. Caveman thought, ooh, magic delivery bird, bring things to cave. So he bought 1 speaker that glows and says good morning, a tiny vacuum that looks like a turtle, an indoor waterfall for his pet cactus, a fridge that counts how many berries inside, and fancy slippers with foot massage. Caveman no stop. At first, Cave look like shiny dream, everything beep, blink, sparkle. Then, credit rock spirit come. It say, you owe 42,000 shiny coins, pay now, or we take back your socks. Caveman scream, me try hide from spirit under couch, also purchased on impulse. But spirit no care, debt grows like fire monster. Caveman has no peace, no joy, just stress, sweat, and a blender that makes soup explode. Worst part, tribe stops visiting. Wife says, you spend all time worshipping glowing box. Caveman alone surrounded by a pile of plastic blessings that feel like curses. One night I trip over a robot mop and hit my head on a box of unused yoga mats. In that painful moment, Caveman realizes, me no own things, things own me. So me do scariest thing Caveman ever did, not fight bear, not climb cliff, me start selling stuff. Cavemen start big purge, but me still confused what to keep. So me ask wisest elder in cave wife. She no blink, just hand Caveman wooden spoon and say, rule is simple, want bad, need good. Caveman blink. But what if me need third Bluetooth soup bowl, wife raise spoon, me understand. She teach Caveman sacred sorting ritual, fire equals need, glitter want. She say, if thing no feed you, heal you, or protect you, it go. We start together, she hold up, light up helmet. You need this? Caveman whisper. No. She toss it into donation pit, then she lift up Caveman's collection of dinosaur-shaped ice trays. Essential? Me whimper. No, soon pile of nonsense grow big. Cavemen feel fear, but also relief. Then wife share ancient wisdom, want is hungry spirit, it never full, but need is small bowl, easy to carry, easy to fill. She teach cavemen buy with brain, not feeling. She teach cavemen buy with brain, not feeling. Feeling say, ooh, fun shiny. Brain say, you already have 6 of those, dummy. Now cavemen go to store with list carved in stone. If not on list, me no touch. Me walk proud past sale signs like warrior ignoring sirens. Cavemen no perfect, sometimes still tempted. But now, when me want silly thing, me ask, is this fire or glitter? After wife teach caveman difference between fire and glitter, me still face big problem, cave too full. So me go see ancient tribe money keeper, old banker Gruff. He live in small hut with 2 chairs, 1 stick and 3 beards. Cavemen expect giant gold tower, but Gruff just sip mushroom tea and say, ah, young rockhead, you confuse space with success. Caveman confused. You not want giant cave with 12 rooms and indoor lake? He laugh. No, you build big cave, you spend life filling it. You make cave small, you fill life instead. Boom, mind rock cracked. Gruff walk caveman through simple truths. Big house, big upkeep. More stuff, more clean, more sad. He say, make every space work hard like mammoth. 1 table, 5 purpose. Gruff show cavemen how couch become guest bed, table become work altar, and closet become cave gym. Caveman shocked. You no need more, just need smart. He tell caveman story. Tribe once worshipped God of square footage, but in the end, only God happy was the landlord. That hit hard, so cavemen return home, shrink cave, donate extra hut, and transform cave corner into dance space for wife. She happy, coin saved, spirit lighter. Cavemen now believe, home no need be castle, just safe place where heart feel big. Next trick comes from the smallest tribe member, a tiny genius child named Tiki. One day a caveman sat near the fire grumbling, me no know how much coin to spend. Shiny rock always disappear fast. Tiki tilted her head and held out a pouch of 6 colored beads. Here, she said, me show. Caveman blinked. You teach me budget? Tiki nodded. You adult in body, baby in brain. So lesson begin. She call it bead budgeting. 1 red bead, food, 1 blue, fire, 1 green's tribe fun, 1 black, surprise volcano, 2 yellow, future cave plan. Tiki hand caveman 6 beads and say spend each week, no more, no beg. Caveman try, week 1, me use red and blue, then almost spend green on bone flute concert. But Tiki slap hand, that not in bead plan. At first, cavemen hate it, feel trapped. Then cavemen notice something. Each decision now feel important. Every bead feels sacred. Cavemen no waste. Cavemen think. After 3 moons, cavemen save enough coin to fix leaky roof and buy surprise goat for wife. She kiss him so hard he forget alphabet. Tiki say, grown-ups think money infinite, but it not. You treat it like water in dry season. Caveman nod, deep wisdom from small human. Now caveman use beads, envelopes, or rock system, anything to remind him. Coin not magic, coin like breath, use careful, or it gone. After many moon cycles of sorting, selling, saving beads, and shrinking caveman begin to feel something strange, freedom. No, not the freedom from fighting bear or escaping lava flood, but the freedom of having enough. One day, caveman walk into storage cave and realize it empty. Where once he hoarded 15 broken drums, 6 lava lamps, and costume for Stone Age karaoke night, now just fresh air. At first, caveman feel panic. Did me lose treasure? Then, calm. Caveman sit in middle of quiet cave, and he breathe. He not worry about what to clean. He not step on tech gadget that yell weather at 3 a.m. He not search for charger that only work with one device from 2017. He just sit and think and live. And then it hit caveman like falling coconut. More stuff is more stuck. When you chase objects, you carry weight, not just on back, but in heart. Every item is decision. Every luxury is upkeep. Every new toy is one more thing to protect, fix, or explain. But when you own little, you move fast, you feel light, you spend less time choosing and more time being. Caveman now travel easier, laugh louder, dance with wife more, even write bad poetry. Tribe roll eyes, but caveman happy. Because now caveman understand, less things equals more life. Now tribe ask caveman, Ooga son of Booga, you still poor? Caveman smile. Me say no, me richest me ever been, me just no carry it in pouch. Because cavemen no longer measure life by shiny rock pile. Me measure by morning with wife and hot root tea, laughing with tribe under fire moon. No stress beast chasing me each time bank bird cry. Me used to think wealth mean owning mountain of gold. Now me see, real wealth is owning time, owning peace, owning self. Financial minimalism not about being cheap caveman, it about being wise caveman. You no starve your joy, you just feed only what matter. Cavemen not have palace, but me have room to dance. No endless gadgets, but me have space to think. No credit curse, but me have sleep so deep, even Thunderbird no wake me. So if you feel stuck, broke, buried under pile of stuff that promise joy but deliver stress, maybe you no need more, maybe you need less. Cavemen not perfect, sometimes still want glow rock or voice-activated meat fryer. But now, cavemen pause. Cavemen ask, does this feed my life or just feed my pile? Then cavemen walk away proud, coin in pouch, joy in chest, spirit light like feather. So tribe of magic watchers, what we learned today. Don't chase shiny things that end up biting your butt while you sleep. Don't let coin control your cave. Live simple, live light, dance naked if legal in your region. If today's story made you smile or made your brain wrinkle like dried mango, then do sacred thing, smash big thumb rock like button. Hit scribe stick, subscribe, then shout in comments, me throw out lava lamp today, or caveman save coin, buy goat. And remember, you no broke, you just carrying too much. Now go burn less, live more, and hug your favorite spoon. Ooga booga.